Your Facebook ad manager got disabled or restricted? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover your disabled Facebook ad account and even get back your business manager step by step. First, let's understand why Facebook disables ad accounts. The most common reasons include policy violations, such as running ads that break Facebook's guidelines. Unusual activity like sudden spending spikes or suspicious login attempts. Payment issues including declined cards or billing errors, and repeated disapprovals when too many ads get rejected in a short period of time. Knowing the reason behind the restriction is the first step to getting your account back. Now, let's go through the recovery process. First, go to your Facebook Business Manager, where you'll see a red warning banner if your account is disabled. Click on the Contact Support button. A help window will open on the right side of your screen, allowing you to reach Facebook ad support directly via email. Here, you can select your email address, attach files, record your screen if needed, or even add your phone number for quicker support. Finally, click the Send Email button. Now, wait for a response. Reviews usually take 24 to 72 hours, but sometimes longer. Once you receive the email, explain your problem clearly and politely to the support team. Always keep your appeal professional and avoid blaming Facebook. In most cases, if you haven't done anything wrong, your account will be recovered through this process. If your business manager itself is restricted, go to business.facebook.com/account quality. There, you can check which assets, such as ad accounts or pages, are affected. Appeal directly under the disabled asset, and even add a backup admin to your business manager to protect yourself if your main profile faces restrictions. But what if your appeal gets rejected? Don't lose hope. You still have options. Option 1 is to create a new business manager with a fresh payment method. Option 2 is to use a trusted profile with a solid account history to run ads. And option 3 is to carefully review Facebook's advertising policies to avoid making the same mistakes again. To prevent future restrictions, always warm up new accounts slowly instead of spending large amounts right away. Keep your billing information updated. Avoid controversial or misleading ad content, and ensure all your ads follow Facebook community guidelines. So, that's how you can recover a disabled Facebook ad account in 2025 and beyond. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.